Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've been waiting for like 100 over subscribers. So today, if I got 100 over subscribers, I will doing a video of how to make jumbo slime. So I do not have any 100 over subscribers, but never mind. I'll be making the slime. So you will need the same ingredients, but I'm using lax, contact lens remover, eye remover. So I'll be doing 2 times. So you will need something to mix in and something to mix with. So you need 2 of them. So I'm using this Rindondo, and you will need 2 of this water glue. So yeah, I will open one glue. So one glue will be one of this can. Oh my god. So it's too much of it and you can't done it. So after you're gonna put your lax. You want it how the color looks like. So I had put too much of it. I'll be putting some on the other container. I don't know you want how many color. You want how the color looks like to make jumbo slime. So I'll be putting a bit more of the color. So you must stir. I'll be stirring for this, and I'll be posting. So after you stir, you're gonna put your contact lens washer. Look, see, it's so easy without any barracks. It's just a bit of sticky. When you mix them together to become the jumbos, I left with a lot of glue left. So if it's still sticky, put your contact lens washer. Mine is left a bit, so I can't use too much, or else my mother scold me. Because I need that for my eye. So it's still sticky, so you let it be by itself. I'm gonna make for the other one. I'm gonna use the same glue. It's a bit sticky because I put too much of it. So I'll be passing until it becomes jumbo. So look what I've done. It's really sticky. So So I'll be posting and make more really jumbo. So look at it, this is pretty jumbo, and I already put the two. Look at this. Finish and all finish. So yeah. So guys, this is a slime. Look at those. So I'll be putting my camera here so that I can actually touch the slime. So I put on this Tupperware. I will throw all these things. So yeah, look. So look at this. It's still sticky, so you just need to use a hand to do them. Just do with your hands so that it will not be so sticky. Oh, but later it is cold. So yeah. Yeah, look, slime. It's really super jumbo. So make sure I have done this jumbo slime. So make sure I want to see 100 over subscribers. So yeah, and I hope I can make more video of this, but I'm not gonna do it for every week. So yeah, bye.